Hi guys, Charles here and welcome to the unboxing and review of the TECNO Spark 30. This is called the Transformer Edition. Now TECNO Spark 30 was released towards the end of 2024. Now looking at some of the features, it actually comes with 5000 amps of battery. They said it's long life battery. It's MediaTek LUG91 octa-core processor, 13 megapixel of camera, and TECNO Spark 30 supports 2G, 3G, and also 4G. It's 18 watts, so that means it supports fast charging. Now, this phone was released in about 3 to 4 in that series. We have the TECNO Spark 30, there is TECNO Spark 30C, and also we have TECNO Spark 30 Pro, which of course is also the Transformer edition. Now, of course, when you buy it, it has some box, which this is how it looks like. But of course, when you open, you also get the real box of TECNO Spark 30. Now, this is how the box actually looks like. I've already broken the seal, so let's just get to open and then we see. So upon opening the box, you are welcome with a brand new TECNO Spark 30, and this is how it looks like. The front, I'm going to remove it from here shortly. When you also open the box more, you also get the case. This is a TPU case. This is how it looks like. Given to you free. Warranty card from TECNO. We also have the 18 watts fast charger from TECNO. You also get the USB Type C, also from TECNO, white in color. You also get the earphones, wired earphone actually from TECNO. And then lastly, you also get the SIM ejection tool or the SIM ejector. Now, looking at some of the specification of the TECNO Spark 30, uh, like I said, it's LUG91 processor. The RAM is actually 8 GB plus 5, which is extendable. The rear camera is 64 megapixel. This is how the camera looks like from behind. 64 megapixel. It's having about 3 cameras, and then the front camera is having 13 megapixel, 5000 amps of battery. The screen resolution, just like you can see, it's 1080 by 2460, and this phone is actually running on Android 14, which I think is the latest Android version. So this is how it looks like. It looks like a decent phone for the budget, but of course, something you need to know, it's it's the transformer version, so it runs on 4G, battery 5000. I think that is quite good. And yeah, the storage is also okay. 128 is very decent, unless you really store a lot of things and you'll need a very big storage. So I think for that price, it's a very decent phone. This phone goes for around 500,000. Some you can get it more than that or less than that. Of course, that is depending on where you're buying it from. So this is the quick review and unboxing of the TECNO Spark 30, and yes, it's a decent phone. It's a budget phone. I think you should consider checking it out, especially if you are a fan of TECNO. My name is Charles, and thank you so much for watching this review. If you love it, be sure to subscribe I hope to see you in the next video.